Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the southeast in the name of IPOB is a gunner, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only. Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you. And there'll be peace in the east, not just southeast. Everywhere in the east, if not the entire south. Very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. They are making money with insecurity. That's correct. They are making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the east and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you.
So, sir,
nobody can.
Sir, are you against?
I'm Nnamdi Kanu.
No.
Who is the idiot? Robin,
No, don't.
No, what is it?